Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Aries. What are the messages for Aries? Okay, Tower. Tower, Ace of Swords, Queen of Cups. Under the deck, 10 of Cups. Yeah. Someone is coming to offer this happiness to you. 10 of Cups happiness. Maybe you are wishing this happiness with your person. Right now, maybe you are in separation with your person, but someone is coming back to you to offer this. 10 of Cups happiness. Yeah. You want family with your person. You are waiting for this. Aries. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Tower, Ace of Swords, Queen of Cups. Yeah, maybe some Tower moment you are going through right now or in recent past. You are very emotional person, you are very giving person because Queen of Cups is here. You have strong emotions for your person, but some truth is came out, and definitely there is some trauma moment for you because Ace of Swords, some truth communication. And right now what is going between you and your person? 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords and Hierophant. Maybe your person is non-committal. There are some commitment issues going between you and your person right now because 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Swords. They may be cheated on you, lied to you, but something is happening between you and your person right now. Some disturbances, some misunderstandings because 5 of Pentacles with 5 of Swords. Yeah, because Hierophant is here, commitment issues. Maybe you are very committed in this relationship but your person not. Maybe they are on and off connection. Maybe they are not treating you well because 5 of Swords, cold shouldering. And in near future, King of Cups, Justice and Knight of Pentacles. Someone is coming towards you to offer this cup of love. It could be your past person, maybe new person. Yeah, maybe it could, for some it could be new person. That's why 10 of Cups is there. For some it could be your past person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. And but you stand by your power. You cut them off. You cut your past person off. Maybe it could be your new person. Even though you cut off your past person, but again they're coming back. And 9 of Pentacles energy, you are working on yourself. You are very grounded, Aries. Yeah, you are achieving financial abundance. You are very attracted to see how you are looking. You are very grounded. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Yeah, you are achieving financial abundance. Lot of abundance is coming in your way. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. Under the deck, 8 of Cups. Maybe you or your person is walked away. That's why the separation had happened. It could be your person. Let's see your person current feelings. Aries. Yeah. Under the deck, the Sun. For some children's also involved in this connection. One person have kids with already kids with other maybe they are already married. They have kids for some. Okay, not for all. Yeah, some communication. They are willing to communicate with you. And 6 of Cups. They want reconciliation if you are in separation, and if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe marriage. They want to commit to you. They want to take your relationship to next level. 10 of Cups with 6 of Cups, reconciliation. Definitely they are willing for reconciliation. Some communication, Ace of Swords. Maybe they want to express their true feelings to you, truth coming out here. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Aries. person, your future actions. Yeah, Princess of Cups, 8 of Wands. Yeah, communication, lots of communication. 7 of Pentacles. Under the deck, Queen of Cups. Yeah, they really like you. They have love for you, definitely. And Queen of Cups and Princess of Cups, now they're getting clarity. And lots of communication is coming in your way. They're willing to communicate their true feelings. And they really want to invest in this. They also invested in this connection in past, but not consistent. But now they want to. They want you back. They want reconciliation and lots of communication. And some positive changes are also coming in your connection. Because 8 of Wands is change, sudden change. And Queen of Cups, Princess of Cups, yeah. And Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions for you. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Aries. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate connection and 2 of Wands. Yeah, your person thinking about you a lot. And 2 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. And yeah, you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. 2 of Cups is here. And Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication, they are rushing towards you. Yeah, there is no contact situation between both of you. Maybe you cut your person off. Yeah, again 2 of Cups. Definitely both are strong soulmates. That's why they are feeling strong soulmate connection with you. They want reconciliation. They really want you back. They have so much love for you, Aries. Yeah, but you are not talking to them right now. You are undergoing some healing process because 4 of Swords with King of Swords. Maybe you cut off your person off because they did something wrong to you. Maybe it could be third party situation. Maybe there is no equal give and take. Maybe they are in and out of your life. That's why. But you both have strong soulmate connection. What I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy. Aries. Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back. 4 of Pentacles. Maybe you are holding back. 10 of Swords. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection. Now, right now, you are listening to your inner self and you are investing energy on yourself. What I'm getting here, Aries. But I think they want rebirth in this connection, but you are holding back, but they are coming back. They have so much love for you. Lot of water energies here. So let's see your person overall energy. Yeah, High Priestess. Maybe you both are listening to your inner voice. And Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to offer stability and long-term commitment is coming. And Queen of Swords. Yeah, they want to express their feelings to you. They want to be honest with you. And 10 of Wands. Maybe your person right now very busy due to their work. Maybe their family responsibilities. They are feeling overburdened right now. Yeah. But you both are very strong soulmates. Yeah, lots of communication is coming in your way. They have so much love for you, Aries. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Yeah, a new start is coming. Definitely reconciliation. And for most of you will be reconciled. There is a new start is coming, and this is the message from universe. Definitely they are coming back with lots of communication, and it is a strong soulmate connection. I think you are going to be give another chance to your person. Most of you, very rare cases, if it is third party, they may be cheated, they may be lied to you. In that cases, expect remaining all. Definitely there will be a new start is coming between you and your person, because this is the message from universe. Yeah, a new start is coming, because here lot of water energy. They really love you so much. They have so much love for you, but you are investing energy on yourself. You are working towards your career and goals. Yeah, you are achieving also financial stability. Yeah, this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.